Good evening, Reap What You Sow League. This Chalupa Batman Sr., aka I lost my Skittles, aka I can't find my Skittles. I've been looking everywhere all season long, thinking I'll find them. No, they're just M&M's. Keep looking around, thinking I'll find them again. No, it's just Reese's Pieces. It's like, what's going on this year? I don't understand, but I'll find them. I'll find them eventually, that's for sure. Let's get back to why I'm here. I'm here to do a little sign off on the season. Give a little congratulations to everybody in the playoffs. Congratulations to everybody in the playoffs except for them B-boys. You know them B-boys are them Cowboy fans. It's up to Fantasia and Bronco up to make sure them boys don't win that trophy. We don't need that trophy looking like Guadalupe's lowrider from Hector's Auto Body, all wrapped in a red velvet dashboard cover. Not like this one I got here, this satin. I don't mess with that velvet stuff. Have some kind of crazy ground effects on it. Have some Mother Mary air freshener smell like wet, dirty socks. And Cowboy fans, there's something else. They love to trick out their stuff, that's for sure. Need to give a little shout out to Jason, my boy Jason. Appreciate it, boy. It's been my pleasure. Or should I say, double my pleasure. Double my pleasure showing you my TDs twice this year. Woo! Made me feel good a couple times this year. Had to beat someone this year, and luckily it was you. And it is what it is. Maybe hit me back up next year. Want to give a little congratulations to Jack, not being the last on the totem pole, not being the old poop scooper, if you know what I mean, poop. I'll get back to Justin in just a minute with the poop word. I know you like that word. And the old twinkle toes Justin, man, bank on him. Bad year. Started off bad. Come in getting a pedicure, now you're getting a mediocre hair. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it rhymed kind of. And to my boy Justin, the commissioner, I want to thank you for putting on this league this year. It's been a good time going back and forth, battling, video battling, rap battling. Well, we ain't really rapping, but same kind of difference, you know what I mean? I just want to say sorry, man. Looks like you're gonna be holding up that golden toilet seat this year. You just had one of those years. It's like everything went wrong. You just starting players you should have benching players you should have started, drafting players you probably shouldn't have drafted. But that's the way the game goes, and you'll be taking poops on a golden toilet seat this year. Really, it's really not that bad, because I got something for you. Just come holler at me, I'll hook you up. Only cost you about 50 cents. That's it, just 50 cents, and I'll hook you up with something nice. Match that toilet seat you'll be using this year. Give you a little example of what I got. Yeah, you like those? Hook you up, that's it, just 50 cents. You be just sitting on your toilet seat taking poops. Looking at yourself in the mirror while you're taking poops, just smiling. Oh man, it's really not that bad. I'm taking poops on a golden toilet seat. And I got golden toilet seat poops. And I got golden teeth to match. It's really not that bad. Okay, I guess it is. But I still hook you up, 50 cents. I'll knock off like 10 cents, 40 cents. Whatever you want, I'll hook you up. You hook me up. That's it, fellas. Till next year, I'm out.